brother them, my sister them, una do this now una Pekin, Lansana Sako with the hidden truth. Today, I want to talk about Dr. Kande Yumkela in decision for come out and form a grand coalition instead of stay under SLPP for run for the flag bearership. In Comowan, sad news for SLPP, a sad news for we believe in them, and a sad news for Sierra Leone. Sad news for SLPP because that the same thing will happen with Charles Magai break away. It takes some of his supporters them, and when it takes some of his supporters them, that means people that left SLPP then vote for him. Would again na APC and we don't want APC again for rule. Anytime with the rule na problem, anytime with the rule na problem. Now, Dr. Kande Yumkela in Comowan, they don't give them more chances. Then, na sad news for Sierra Leone because Dr. Kande Yumkela na the best man for the country, he been for be much more better make a run under the two most popular political parties, and especially SLPP as the oldest party, the party of change, where in believing for making able for lead we and make Sierra Leone a better place for we and we picking them. But now we'll come up at that. We'll look the reasons then why make this man here come out. This man na in Papa na they make this party. This man no go left in Papa in party just because he want left. No. He left because he tired with the nonsense. He tired with the disrespect. He tired with the lie. He tired with the favor when they go and favor one particular person over and when they not make the playing field level. The man they beat on a dead horse. They don't do him best. They don't do everything what he is supposed to do for make a help the party. They don't do all kinds of things. First, where he can then tell us say not register, then begin to disqualify him. Second, they go to party office with him mama, then humiliate him, disrespect him. The mama in hijab pull her in head in front of her in way na in your picking. A canabo office, SLPP office. Thing where he give money for let them renovate. Then block and say he not go inside. Then not stop on that. Then call a stranger. Where permanent means Kenyamoy. Then una one tell me say where them talk say na tribalism when I say na lie, not to tribalism. Where them talk say na favoritism, not to a democratic system among the delegates of the SLPP party. When I go say na lie. When I don't make Mada Bio don't win 19 years ago, up till now I want as the flag bearer. They don't run once, they don't lose. They don't care again. For make una give other people a chance, make them contest this flag bearership with equal footing. Una no do am. Una they go against the man, una they challenge the man in credibility and all that in a day. And one I go tell you now. Why when they do this for Madabio? Who is Madabio? What he don't do for Sierra Leone? What he don't do for Bo? He don't be head of state for 3 months. He don't serve under Strauss as vice president. What he do for Sierra Leone? From where he come out? What he do for Sierra Leone? Nothing. Now Bo Kakwa chiefdom, Kenema, and all the Kailao and other places there. Now who that? Waiting Madabio go point on. Una show me one community center where Madabio build. Now any of them chiefdom then they where picking and they enjoy. Or where big man and they enjoy self. Now we look at waiting whose investment where it don't make under where the population they enjoy. Either na Bo, Kenema, or low we look at the entire Sierra Leone, nothing. Now waiting Kande Yumkela don't do. Where he not ever be president, and not be this, and not be that. And he not be the look for be president. What he don't do? He don't do plenty things. He don't bring electricity. He don't bring vocational things there. Both at the north and the south. Where Madabio come out, he go give one bag rest, cook people and eat. Now the time when election don't come that day, they go do that. Not to in money because you don't get that money there. Now the money when people that they put together then give am for let run. So wey win, let it help them. Now that same money now they take, you go buy one bag dress, begin shape and then houses them. Say they come give people for make it appear say a good. Now look, somebody where they come to you, only when they need something from you, and somebody where he dey with you, whether he need from you or he not need from you. Who's one way you go say na in na the best person for you, na in like you, na in go do you good. I believe say that the one way they come to you, where they don't need anything from you, and they do you good. That na in na can they collect Yum Kela, because they not been the run for presidency. It bring development can at the north, it bring development can at the south in terms of sustainable energy, vocational things them, agriculture. They don't do all them things and they way in not to nothing in the country now. Ordinary citizen like me and you. Now, Mother Bill as an ordinary citizen, what you don't do? Nothing. Pass for Sidon na England, for go they go Sidon, they let people and go they support her. Say this man I for be or next president. This not the kind man where we want for our country. We want a man where he genuine, where he love we want we able for develop the country. And apart from that, the law we come to another distinction. When you say president, especially in Africa, which man then and the outside world, the other African countries, and then get for believe in you, then get for trust you. And though we see Mada Bio and Yum Kela, who are more exposed to the world and who are more credible, who are more trustworthy, I submit to you now Dr. Kande Yum Kela. This na die and sleep. Now Dr. Kande Yum Kela. So who you want for make you represent you at the world stage? We not get nothing. Yes, we get money, we get diamond, we get mineral, but the corruption and mismanagement don't make we there at the bottom of the ladder in terms of standard of living. Everything we they get today na big with the big for let them give it. So therefore, who that we go want for make it help we? I believe say now somebody will get influence in the world, and Kande Yum Kela don't show that. Dr. Kande Yum Kela don't show that. So therefore, make we send her as we ambassador to the world for help Sierra Leone, as opposed to somebody we not get that experience there at all. They don't sit on 19 years. Oh, power pass him be president. Power pass him do president, and no one do nothing else but for be president. For work self, you not agree for work again. Kande Yum Kela no one nothing from me and you. Now a lucrative job. Now he left. They can this na salon. Money, job way go feed them for the rest of in life and not need anything from we and not need anything from Sierra Leone government and not need anything from anybody. In fact, now add it can for add to we own economy now improve it can improve we own country. So make we look to that, make we elect Dr. Kande Yum Kela as we next president, even though it don't left the SLPP party. They don't say it form a grand coalition. Make we go with him, we support him, like the best man for our country. Thank you very much. I love you, God love you, and I love Sierra Leone. Bye-bye. I don't.